Hi everyone, we continue where we left off. So today we'll be generating a drawing from the 3D model that we've made. So a drawing is basically a projection of the 3D model onto a 2D surface, in this case a sheet of paper, and it has all the dimensions of the model, and what this allows us to do is be able to recreate this structure in 3D. Okay, so let's get started. Start FreeCAD and let's open the 3D model file that we've made earlier. So I've opened the base. Alright, so this is the base that we had. Go to this drop down menu and select drawing dimensioning. So we'll open up these icons here. Now we'd like to start off by creating a A4 landscape drawing, an empty A4 landscape drawing. Now here is where we populate the drawings with our projections of our model. So let's go back to this model, select the model, and then on this menu bar here, click on Insert an Orthographic Projection. Now you can see this interactively. So we want to view from the Z positive axis from the top, and we want to project two views, the side view and the front view. Okay, now it's auto position and auto scaled. If you want to change the scale, all you have to do is uncheck the auto scale checkbox and change it to a suitable size. Now sometimes we can put an isometric view on it just to give an overall projection of how it might look like. So we can flip it. Okay, and we can also position it if it's too close to the top. So let's say we change these to 47 or maybe 50. Sorry, 50. Oops. 50. Okay. And to move it to the left a little bit, we'll put here 100. Okay. So there are some texture that we can select and change by going to page, clicking that. So we can change that to say car, can change the date, the scale, which we have changed it to 0.75 manually, and so on and so forth. Okay, I'll better change the title, so it's the base. Okay, now we're ready to add all the dimensions to the car. So click on this, add a linear dimension, and then basically just select the edges, and you need to include all the dimensions, all the information that someone who's looking at this drawing will be able to then replicate your model in 3D. So I'm going to put this dimension dimensions here. Like so. Okay, and the thickness. Could zoom in. Alright, for circular items, we use this tool. If you've made a mistake with the selection, just hit escape. Or you can delete that. So that's not right. I'm going to go to the last dimension and delete. So once you've got down all the information, you can save it, and you can add additional text to it. For example, you can put down text and change text. I'm going to this one, side view, and the second one, top view, and the last one, front view. Click save. That's it. So go through the same process for the other parts of the car, and you would have generated all the drawings for your car.